Hey guys, what is up? So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix Vanguard 9003. So this is a secure boot issue, and for it, you have to enable secure boot in BIOS for your game to work properly. Now, the first thing you want to do is go to search and then check if secure boot is on or is it some other issue. So you go to search and then type in run and then type in this msinfo32, click OK. Once you're in here, look for secure boot state. If it's on, then you have some other issue. If it's off, then you have to enable it in BIOS. And to do so, go back to system information, and then you have to copy this baseboard product, and then you type in this into YouTube, and then type in how to enable secure boot. So you close this and open the YouTube, and then type in how to enable secure boot B450. And then I have my video, so I'll show you it, how to enable it on MSI B450 motherboard.
Hey guys, just a quick video showing you how to change the BIOS on MSI motherboard. I have B450, I think, with updated BIOS, so it looks like this. So you won't be able to play like Valorant and I don't know what, maybe League incoming if you don't have the secure boot enabled. So what you want to do is go advanced, find Windows OS configuration, enter that, change this. If it's on CSM, change it to UEFI. Once you change it, restart the computer again and enter BIOS again, and then go to secure boot. Change this to standard. It will be on like custom. This change it to standard, and then like change this to enabled, and then restart it again, and it should work. Yeah, that's it.
And after you have enabled that in BIOS, restart your PC and relaunch the game, and it should work properly without any issues. That's it for this video. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.